Hello everyone, I'm coming to you live just kind of out of the blue, but I've been so excited to offer a craft along, and it's going to happen in June. It's my first one and I'm so excited to offer it to you. I just wanted to give you a little heads up on it. So what is it? Well, the craft along is if you want to craft along with me, you can pre-order the cards I'm going to make, as in all the pre-cut supplies, anything that's embossed. Let me check my list here, make sure I'm not leaving out anything. All the pre-cut, scored, and embossed supplies you need to make 4 projects. A Stampin' Up goodie bag worth about $25 to $30. A detailed tutorial, and that includes shipping. It'll be shipped to your door. If you're local and you want to just pick it up, let me know and we'll do a little bit less on the cost of the class. I'm going to feature one of my favorite suites in the new catalog. I'm going to feature the Unbounded Beauty suite of products. If you have a catalog, it's on page 54 of the catalog, this one. So these 2 stamp sets and then these products. I'm not saying absolutely sure what products you'll get with the class, because sometimes there are inventory issues that we don't have any control of, but you will get that amount of product in your goodie bag, even if I have to substitute something. Right now everything I'm using is in stock and ready to go. So we're going to use, so this is the Unbounded Love stamp set, and then these are the dies that go along with it, and then this is the Flowers of Beauty stamp set, and then these are the dies that go along with it. Now, I normally never use more than 1 bundle for any class that I do, unless it's a Super Saturday or a stamp, something like that. But this set, so if you only do the Flowers of Beauty, then you don't have any greetings. If you only do the Unbounded Love, you don't have any flowers or leaves or images. So that's why I put them together. I thought maybe some of you might already own them, so that won't be expensive for you, but you can always substitute with something you already have. If you don't have them and you want to add them to your registration form, you can, and I'll pay the tax and shipping. And right now both bundles are a total of 20% off because it's June and we're having a sale on bundles. The retail price is now 20% less. All the bundles, all of June. So that's super exciting. But you have to register. I kind of have a quick turnaround because I've been working on this and then other things too. So I'm a little bit later getting it up than I had hoped to, but you still have until June 13th to register. Let me check to make sure I'm saying that right. Yes. So registration closes on June 13th. I'll order everything and the packets will be sent out by June 19th, I'm hoping at the latest, but I'll keep you posted. If you register for the class, I'll let you know for sure when they ship. They'll be shipped priority mail. So they'll go out about a week ahead of the class and should be to you in time. But again, that's kind of out of my control once they leave my house, in time for you to craft with me. But if they don't, you can craft with the packet anytime you want to, and you'll have the YouTube video to go along with it. So, and I'll send you directly the YouTube link so that you have the video to make your cards if you can't make them with me, or and you need to watch them on replay. So don't worry about not being able to still do your class and to see the video and do all the things. So you probably want to know a little sneak peek of what we're making. The cost for the class is $45, and that does include shipping, and then all that product that you get with your goodie bag and a PDF tutorial, detailed PDF tutorial, and the video. All right, so, well, everybody can see the video. So it's going to be my regular Facebook Live that day. It's going to be June 26th, in case I didn't say the date. My normal time, 12:30 p.m. on June 26th, that's Central Time. So I'll give you a little sneak peek. So you're going to get all the prepped, what do I want to say, I've lost my words, all the prep supplies for these 4 cards. So here's one. I'll just give you a little quick sneak peek. I love this one. It's my favorite one. And I tried to use also glimmer paper because you know I love it. And then also this is one of my favorites too. So I hope you'll be interested in that. If you are, you'll need to email me for the registration, and I'll put that in the video description if you're watching on YouTube, or I'll put it in the comments if you're watching on Facebook. So if you want to email me to get this registration link, is Joanne Hartman. It's JoanneHartman. JoanneHartman@gmail.com, or message me and I can send you the registration link that way too. Thanks everybody. See you then. See you next time. Bye bye.